some of the biggest markets in e-commerce come from things that we do every single day. One of them being sleep. In fact, the sleep market is valued at over $585 billion. And in today's video, I want to dissect this $500 million per year brand that is absolutely crushing it selling mattresses. And I think what they're doing is really genius. I actually just bought one of these mattresses, and that's what inspired this video. But we're going to dissect this from a marketing lens and economics lens, and it's going to be really interesting. I got some great data pulled up here for you. So first and foremost, the brand is called Nectar, and they have a beautiful landing page here. So their direct to consumer skills is actually what got them to this point, although now they've kind of fallen off that track, and I'll explain exactly why. This will be really interesting for you guys. But one of the first things that intrigued me about this store is just how beautiful it is, honestly. I think this is such a clean setup. It reminds me very much of just really good themes that I've seen in the dropshipping space. Funny enough, so many of the top marketing trends happen in the dropshipping space, which is why I'm so happy to be tapped into both the high level stuff like this through my agency Ecommerce, where we've scaled clients to hundreds of millions, but also because I'm also tapped into the dropshipping world through the Shopee Lab members. A lot of the people in my community are actually dropshippers, and they totally crush it. And I have dropshipping stores too. Now, you see, there's a few things that we can highlight from here. First and foremost, they have bundling options, which is just genius to do so. Different upsells, different ways that you can package. And of course, this isn't your normal store, right? This is a high ticket product. It's a mattress. It's not something people just impulse buy. However, these guys are notorious for having been able to scale through purely direct to consumer. And I just received this mattress. It comes in a rolled up tube. So, it's pretty cool how they actually developed that so that they could just ship it everywhere. And as you see, they got beautiful images. I love these images, and it's interesting to see this horizontal style image. You never see this actually on Shopify stores. And I think the reason they did it is so that they could have this beautiful video, but also because it's a bed, right? It's a horizontal bed, so you can see it a lot better this way. And if we take a look at how this looks on mobile, it actually looks beautiful. And they have this awesome, save 50% on mattresses for 12 hours. They're running these really, really intense scarcity tactics, urgency tactics, and it absolutely works. So, don't be too above doing these things, because even some of the biggest brands in the world do this, and it certainly works. So of course you don't have to do it, but if you're willing to do it, do it. Now, you see this again. This is literally just a very standard page. They got bundling. It just looks very well put together. They got HSA, FSA eligibility, which is actually way bigger than people think. It's something I've been talking internally with the Ecommerce team, because I think it's huge. It basically allows people to, buy these things through their insurance, which is insane. And then, yeah, they just have some really nice testimonials. The landing page, they got a lot of awards here. So tons of different authority figures, which is, for a high ticket product, this is huge. Authority is just huge in general. If you can have authority, man, you're golden, right? One of our latest clients that we've been absolutely crushing it for at Ecommerce is a really well-known doctor, for example. And that gives us so much authority to be able to just get insane ROAS, right off the bat. So yeah, and then the next thing I want to highlight is their unique mechanisms, right? So they're constantly talking about, ultimate cooling comfort, for example, goodbye motion transfer. These are things that, I've never really thought about actually when it comes to mattresses. But these are beautiful animations. Nowadays, you can do this stuff with AI pretty easily. So that's why this is such an exciting time, because AI enables you to literally recreate something like this. It might take you a few days, but you can do it for a fraction of the cost that it used to cost you. And then this is another thing that's interesting. They're kind of pitting it against other potential hazards, such as, safer sleep starts here. This intrigued me because I've never thought about sleep as not a safe thing. So this kind of instantly triggers my fight or flight mode kind of thing, where I'm instantly thinking, wait, is it actually not safe? Maybe I'm doing something that's not safe in my sleep. And they're just talking about how this is 100% fiber free. I didn't even know there was potentially fiberglass free. I didn't even know that there was potentially fiberglass in my mattress. Maybe there isn't, but they're using this as a really good marketing angle here. Because great sleeps should last forever. So they're giving a name to their guarantee. That's another really, really smart thing. Instead of just saying 60-day guarantee, kind of go into it a little bit more, right? They call it a 365 night home trial or a forever warranty. These little things really add a huge amount of trust to your brand. And you can make it on branded, you can make it fun. Every little thing like that that you can stack for your brand, just like unique language that you use, maybe language that your avatar uses, and I'll show you exactly who their avatar is shortly. That's really going to help your conversion rates. It's really going to help you stand out, and it's really going to help you just get better results on Meta. So yeah, I mean, beautiful lander, very standard stuff, but just extremely well done. Now, let me move on to just a piece of value here. I want to give you just some raw, insane value of a future trend in this market that I think is absolutely insane. First, I forgot to show you the traffic, but their traffic is extremely steady. It's at 3.6 million. I think they're diving extremely deep into Google Ads now and also SEO. They're doing a lot of organic stuff. They're not driving as many ads. They're only running 14 different active ads on Meta, which I find to be a huge miss because what got them to this place is running ads, and now they're not doing it anymore. And I'm guessing they're plateauing because of that. They were actually acquired by Ashley Furniture in 2024 for $1 billion. And I guess ever since then, they're kind of just not the same. But what I was going to show you, here's the value. Okay, so this is my platform, Shopee Lab. I'm not promoting it. I guess I am promoting it. I don't really care. I love this platform. I use it all the time, and I'm just giving this to you for free right now. But I noticed that the sleep coach trend is absolutely blowing up. I mean, this is literally starting to go crazy, and I think this is going to go exponential. I actually think this is like going to continue to go exponential through the next 5 to 10 years. And the reason why is because people are sick and tired of not being able to sleep, and it's actually getting worse and worse because of phones, because of just everyone being so connected, all the news just being like in the back of your mind all the time. It's just harder for people to sleep. So yeah, there's a million things that solve it. Maybe a mattress, maybe a headband, maybe some earplugs, maybe some supplement. But at the end of the day, the main thing you need is the education on sleep. So I think this could be a really cool digital product opportunity on Shopify where you don't have to invest any money into a product and it instantly gets delivered and you can create it with AI. So I truly believe this is a great opportunity. Why am I not launching it? Because I don't have all the time in the world, unfortunately, believe it or not. And yeah, I just don't have time. But one of you may have time, and I want to empower you to do that. So make sure you join Shopee Lab. It's a free community, but of course, this is a paid software. We have a ton of amazing tools, courses, etc. Literally tons of courses and tons of live calls as well that I love to do. Sometimes we have 100K a day members that join. It's really cool. So, just wanted to give you that trend. It's a really cool one. And, I never really thought about that, even though I've actually hired a sleep coach before for my daughter. She, like any baby, she woke up a ton during the night and we hired a sleep coach. She gave us a lot of great information on sleep and how we can coach her to self-soothe and whatnot. And lo and behold, she sleeps through the night now. So, like, sleep coaching literally works. So, it's a really great niche. Now, when it comes to Nectar, let's dive into their ads and then we'll dive into their avatars and sub avatars because that's where we can really get value as well. One of the things that I mentioned is they're not actually running that many ads, but they have 14 different ads. So it's not like they're not doing it, but they're just doing it at a really low level. Unfortunately, I'll just say it. They're just not doing it at the level that they should. I mean, they should have at least 1,000 active ads. Why only have 14 ads, right? Like, is their budget, like $100 a day? That's what I'm wondering. Certainly it's not. So they really need more ads. So, Nectar, if somebody's watching from the team, you got to hire a Chemi. So go to Chemi.co and you'll be able to hire our team. Just fill out the form at the bottom and we'll chat. There's a nice little form here at the bottom that you can fill out. But you can see here that they're running some
Don't drop
UGC.
$4,000.
So really kind of old style UGC. Let me actually show you here. This is one of their highest impression ads. So we'll take a
Don't
look.
drop $4,000 on a
Don't
bed
drop
set.
4 grand on a
This is
bed
the
set.
Nectar
This is the
adjustable
Nectar
bundle.
adjustable
One deal got
bundle.
me the
One
adjustable
deal got
frame,
me the
Nectar's
adjustable
award-winning
frame,
mattress, pillows,
all
luxury
that
sheets, and a
stuff.
mattress protector,
I mean, this
all
is cool.
delivered
This
to
is a
my
good
door.
ad, but
I'd seen it all over my feed, with over 1 million happy sleepers raving
it
about
is.
it.
This is a really good ad, actually. And then this one, save up to 50% on mattresses, President's Day sale. They're still running this. This is still one of their highest impression ads. So all their highest impression ads are just like straight up sales. Like they're just running a big sale, which is not uncommon actually. These ads work. So on Meta, people are very impulse driven. So if you just give them a fat sale, they're gonna take it a lot of times. Not all the time, but that's why these are the highest impression ads. We have this sorted by high impressions to low impressions. And then, yeah, they have more ads here. There's really not much to look at though. But here's something interesting. So Smart Reply recently dropped this free tool, which is super cool. So Smart Reply is a way to automate all your comments. We use this for all our clients. All of your comments on social media, on your ads. So it monitors them, but also hides them or responds to them. It also does DMs. It does literally every single, even on TikTok Shop. It's crazy. But they have this free tool here where it analyzes all of a brand's page comments, which, by the way, they're not responding to all comments. So these guys are slacking in a lot of ways. Uh, but this is their main avatar, right? So a comfort-oriented sleep seeker. That's clear. That's literally me, actually, or not me, but my girlfriend. She persuaded me into buying this mattress. But to be fair, we have had the same mattress for like literally like 10 plus, like maybe 14 years, which is insane. So yeah, we just had to buy this. But here is something interesting, right? So here's the core desires of these people. This is like marketing gold. It's basically achieving consistently restful and rejuvenating sleep. This is literally the core desire. It's simple, but the reason I'm sharing this with you is because some of you guys may have sleep brands and or whatever other brand, right? This is a good tool you can use. It's literally free. Just look up your competitors' pages or a huge brand in the space that you're operating in. Put it in here, and then you'll get this customer avatar update. And yeah, so all these people. So here's some sub avatars that you can target. So this is what this is what Nectar should be doing, right? Right now, all they're targeting is like people who buy from their brand through their ads that are just running sales. But they need to start running ads for people that are in this avatar, comfort-oriented sleep seekers, uh, ads that target one like individually these core desires. Maybe some ads that target risk-free purchase with long trials. Maybe some people want a new mattress, but they just don't want to risk it, right? Or people who want to enhance intimacy, by reducing sleep disturbances. This is a really interesting one. Like enhancing intimacy, that's a really interesting core desire from the sleep niche. And then, of course, some people just want to upgrade their home comfort and bedroom aesthetics. So these are all different core desires that people have, right? But they're not really targeting any of them, like at all. It's insane to me. And then you can get even deeper than that. So that alone is literally like 50 different possible ads that you can make. And then you can make like 100 or 200 more by targeting these sub avatars. So couples seeking sleep harmony, that's me and my girlfriend. Home upgraders, value conscious deal hunters. That's a really interesting one too. Luxury comfort enthusiasts, gift buyers. So you see, this is the name of the game, is identifying who is your customer and then what are their core desires and then what are other customers within that overarching customer, like more targeted, getting more and more targeted, while still keeping your brand like with a huge total addressable market, but using Meta to like target these individual avatars. That is a hack. Now, another thing I wanted to show you, they are very clear at the bottom that they have this affiliate program and anybody can join their affiliate program. I even thought about it. I was like, you know what? I bought one of these mattresses. I'm gonna make a video on it. Maybe I should drop an affiliate link in the description, but I'm not gonna do it because I don't have time. Not right now, at least. I want to post this video right after I make this. But this is just a genius thing. Like every brand needs to have an affiliate program. There's no reason not to. It's literally free money. You get people to be your salesmen, like your customers to be your salespeople. But beyond that, you can recruit affiliates pretty easily these days through AI. Again, AI is just making everyone's lives in e-com easier. And yeah, so that's a really good one. I think just having affiliate programs really smart. There's lots of software that do this. that allow you to do this on Shopify. I like UpPromote. I'm not affiliated with them at all, but UpPromote is free, so that's what we use for our brands. Lastly, I wanted to share with you ways to start brands in this space too, because of course I just talked about kind of the high level of marketing, but a lot of you guys are just starting. And I think one of the easiest ways to start is through drop shipping, because then you don't have to buy inventory. You can literally test a product and then you can brand it after you're actually making money, which is the opposite of how most people launch ecom brands and why a lot of people are scared of ecom, because they have heard horror stories of people spending 20, 30K on inventory and then they can't sell any of it, right? But this is kind of back. I like the idea of starting backwards, where you start with just no inventory and you gauge demand. You for example test a sub avatar like what we talked about. Maybe people seeking intimacy from their sleep or an enhanced intimacy, and then we can find products that fit that avatar through this platform, Teamdrop. I love using Teamdrop because honestly, it's free. I just love free platforms. And not only that, I've had a really good experience just sourcing and then branding products with them. I even have over here a completely custom supplement that we're selling and stacking monthly recurring revenue for, that is 100% handled by the Teamdrop team. So they reached out to the manufacturers. They confirmed that they have all the certifications we need. They made, we designed custom packaging. They got it all done, all from in like 2 weeks. It was pretty insane. And now they're shipping everything out for us. So I would say there's a lot of really interesting products in this category that you could just literally start selling like right now. And I believe that you should. I think this is the year of e-commerce. Everyone's because of AI, software has become like the barrier to entry to software is like nothing. But with ecom, there's still the physical product component, and that's actually like a bullish thing for ecom, because now all the AI tools help your ecom store succeed. But AI still can't really replace your ecom store, because you need that physical product. And there's so many different reasons why people buy different ecom products. This literally proves it, right? Like the different core desires that people have. So there's like endless room to grow, right? There's like infinite amounts of pies out there for you to grab a slice from. And that's the beauty of it. So huge market, right? I mean, 585 billion, the sleep economy, absolutely huge, absolutely brilliant brand. I think just starting again, like something, just a simple product, maybe something new, like this mask is really cool. I like this one. It's like premium, it has some interesting, unique mechanism there. Or maybe this pillow, or maybe, one of these things. I don't know. You got to do your own research, of course. I'm just doing kind of like a lazy, uh, what's it called, like surface level approach here. But you can get pretty deep, and you could send any product idea via WhatsApp to Teamdrop, and they'll get it done. Um, but I think that's a good idea. Like, drop a simple product like that, but then use Nectar's entire template, right? Like, even the colors and the branding, I think it's just so brilliant. And even this is really brilliant. Just the way that they set this up is super optimized. Their direct-to-consumer site is super optimized, which is why it's kind of a shame that they're just not advertising it more. I would love to help handle that for them, but ultimately, that's about it for this video. I don't want to drag it on any longer. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.